My name is Werner Eisenbart. I'm professor for physiology of vision at the Munich University of Applied Science, Hochschule München. And I'm the German leader of the low vision project in the Ashanti region, the KNUST low vision project. I'm the leader for 3 years, and we established this project in 2022. We applied for a grant, and fortunately we get the support of the German Else Kröner-Fresenius Foundation, and so we could start on 1st April 23 to run this low vision project for 3 years. The project has different goals. First of all, to improve the education, the training of the OD students at KNUST in Kumasi. Another goal is to offer CPDs for optometrists who are already working outside of the university, and we would like to show that with different clinics, 3 secondary clinics, 1 tertiary clinic, 6 primary centers, we can establish a role model for refer management from the primary centers up to the tertiary level, to the highest level of low vision rehab. This workshop over the weekend is now more or less the end point of this project, but hopefully this project is an ongoing story, because we would like to share our experience. We would like to create a network, not only establishing different clinics, also bring together the stakeholders, different professionals from Ghana and also some neighboring countries, to share experience and what they mean, how we can bring low vision rehab forward in West Africa.
The KNUST Low Vision Project is designed to address the challenges with low vision training and practice in Ghana. Prior to the inception of the project, most students were trained theoretically, and there were absence of equipment and labs to provide students with practical skills in low vision. Now we have trained students, we have empowered disability students, we provided clinical care to patients with low vision across Ashanti region and throughout our referral network, which cuts across many parts of Ashanti region, and with many people even referring beyond Ashanti region, even from the north. This is a great achievement that we're really excited about. We are deeply grateful to the Else Kröner-Fresenius Foundation, EKFS Foundation, based in Germany, for providing this support to help change lives and improve the quality of life of persons with low vision, as well as improve education outcomes for our students in low vision training at KNUST. Would like to thank the outstanding collaboration between the Hochschule München University of Applied Sciences, based in Munich, Germany, the Kwame Nkrumah University of Science and Technology, the management, the leadership of the College of Science, and all heads who have gone in several ways to support us. Would like to thank the University Health Services Director, Dr. Nana Esiwati, and past directors who have been instrumental in helping us set up this center at KNUST University Hospital. Would like to thank the Jache Anglican Hospital, its management and leadership, the Agogo Presbyterian Hospital, based at Agogo in Asante Agogo, Ashanti region. Would like to thank their management and board for approving that their center to be part of our unique work. The Tafo Government Hospital, the medical superintendent, past and present, as well as all stakeholders and board members of their management who gave approval for this work to be done. We also want to extend our sincere gratitude to the German Embassy in Ghana for providing us with the support to facilitate exchange between our institution, KNUST, and Munich, Germany, where faculty from KNUST were able to go to Munich, Germany for exchange in both culture, education, and then also skills exchange. We are deeply grateful for the support and approvals they gave us for our international travel. We'd like to thank all patients and all loved ones who have supported this project in diverse ways. We're truly grateful for the immense support that both institutions have provided us in delivering this project. And we are so grateful that this project has come to change lives in Ghana.
I am Dr. Chreme, a lecturer at the Department of Optometry and Visual Science, KNUST. Before the advent of this project, we had some low vision services provided by just a handful of facilities. I think I can recall just one tertiary service and a few others who provided certain aspects of low vision care. Now, with the coming in of the KNUST project, we have been able to establish certain centers in addition to the fewer ones we had in existence. We have a tertiary level one set up by this project, and then 3 other secondary level facilities that are connected to this tertiary center. To these other centers, we have primary level facilities that are connected to this secondary level. And so we have the tiers of all the low vision service levels within this project. As the clinical manager of the project, we have seen significant improvement in the quality of service that is given to people who may need low vision care. We have increased access compared to previously. In terms of training, we have had some trainings for optometrists. In the past, I think 2024, we had some training for optometrists to build their capacity in providing low vision services. And then this West African workshop also has added up to the capacity building, which has also come out of this project.
Being on this project, we have seen several patients who have gone through the Low Vision established centers, and the impact has been extremely wonderful. Looking at the fact that several patients had been told that their vision was not going to be restored, but then they come and then we are able to help them meet some of their goals, and it's been an exciting journey. Something as little as a filter could change the whole outlook for a banker. Something as little as a magnifier could change the whole outlook for a student. So it has been an amazing journey. And we hope that as we create more awareness, more patients will come to be aware of this program and these centers so that they can also be assisted to retain or at least make use of their functional vision.
We are very grateful for the support that we have received from the EKFS Foundation in Germany. We are also very thankful for the support we received from the Ghana Health Service through the National Eye Care Secretary, who have immensely supported and given us the gracious help that we need in order to execute this project.
The advantage of this project from the beginning was that we are 2 collaborating universities. So on both sides we have the expertise for low vision, but each university has some advantages, and as a third partner we need money, so the Else Kröner-Fresenius Foundation gave us the money for 3 years, and so we could bring forward the training of the students. We could establish clinics, and so it is a whole variety which is, in my opinion, necessary to push forward the low vision rehab idea in West Africa.